Today, I have one mission, and that is to catch my very first fish of the year this year. Yes, I know, it's April and I still have yet to catch a fish, but I will have some help today because I recently just purchased a kayak. So I'm gonna take that kayak out that there lake and try to catch a fish. Whew, I'm pumped. Let's go catching fish.
Let's play a different game. Fire it all up again. Fire up my heart again. For me to lose.
Alright, let's do this.
I'll run away again. Running away again. Till I see the you of the door. Of the door.
So I'm going to start with a jerkbait. Let's see if we can find some fish willing to eat, and let's not hook ourselves here. Oh, that's a reel in the water. Oh, well, that's one soggy reel. Man, you see that? Look at all those turtles. So crazy. Never seen turtles like that before. I'm guessing they're spawning too. I'm gonna switch baits. I'm gonna switch to, I think, a worm. Oh look, turtle. Nope, 2 turtles gone. I wanted to get a 6 shot of those 2, but hey, you can't get them all. Oh, that's a fish. Nope, that's not a fish, that's a snag. Got me a big old piece of timber. Jeez, I felt just like a fish. That's definitely a fish. Okay. Oh no, don't jump. Oh, he came off. Great. Well, that's one missed bite. It was just on that wood. Come on, give me one more chance. One more chance today. Just one more chance. Come on. Oh, and I got a hook. I got a fish hook. I didn't even feel that bite. Come on, don't lose this one. Oh man, the one day I forget my net. Keep pressure on him. Come on. There you go, he's in the boat. Whew, that's a little guy, but look, hooked him right in the mouth. Well, that's officially my first fish of the year right there. I didn't even feel that bite. That was so crazy. Oh, there's him unhooked. I'm gonna get a quick picture of this guy and let him go. We'll measure him real quick and then we'll let him go. 68. It's a little small, this guy, but it's a pretty fish though. Goes. Oh, that was sick. Whew. Well, that was the first fish of the year. Little guy, but that fish was already almost 2 months due. It's been really tough out here. That bite was so weird though. I didn't even feel that bite. He just like was hooked. 10-inch Monrroe worm though. It works. It came in clutch. I didn't really think that this would work just because it's a little bit too big for these northern fish, but hey, I love to be proven wrong. Let's see if we can get another one, shall we? There were no more bites that day, so I decided to pack up and head home.
Let's play